Just taking another little hike here. Thought I'd bring everybody along. I'm going to be moving to a different section today. Maybe found some new stuff. Kind of a crazy tree they got here. Got these big long beams. But before that, they had these beautiful flowers on them, which I took a lot of pictures of. I'm going to try to make it over my way to the orb weaver. See if I can see if they made any more webs. Pretty cool. I can't ever find them though. I don't know if there's some little things in there. Ew! I didn't notice that till now. Look at it. Oh, worms are jiggling around in there. Ew. Is that them? I wonder if it's them little worms. That's the only thing I see in here. Okay. Quite a few of them. Take a look at this one. It's getting really big here. Get up by these mosquitoes like crazy. Kind of hard to stay in one spot very long out here. I don't see any more on the tree. I usually blanket this area. I did last year. That's certainly not going to do it this year. I was hoping to get these little creeps on the jiggling around in here.